I've learned how to grow tomato plant at home. Anything can grow, it just needs a certain amount of sunlight, water.
What I think is so amazing about nature is that it's beautiful. It gives you some stuff to eat, and what's also so amazing about it is that it keeps me out of the house.
My favorite part about Hope Gardens is probably when we get to pick stuff and we come out and just relax and have fun.
Hope Gardens team is just a very genuine group of individuals who genuinely cares about the community, cares about the children of this community. They're very giving, very genuine, pure people that absolutely love us.
The students love taking home the food. They love being able to pick it. They're so proud of it. They are like, Miss Archer, I got this today. And they're beaming because they know that they had to start from the very beginning to the end. So the thing about Hope Gardens is it's not like a momentary thing. It's a thing that lasts forever.